the route when you have chosen to go to just leave him there. Hey, look, a beacon. Maybe I can use this. I found this cool boat. It's really... Hey, look, I see a beacon. Maybe I should go down. Uh-oh. Hey, thanks for saving me. This is my boat, though. This is your boat? Yeah, it's my boat. Well, I just found it, so I think it's my boat. What would you like to do? Fight him? Or kill him? Or, no, not fight him. Just surrender or kill him. Choose the